Morning, dear students. The last class we discussed about the software concept. You know about software. Software nothing but it is a collection of programs which carry one particular task. That is called what a software. How to write a software. How to develop software. Software engineers they are developing software by using programming languages. Okay, by using programming languages you have to develop the softwares. How many types of programming languages you have? Already we discussed about there are two types of programming languages: low level language, then high level HLL, high level language. Okay, the last class we discussed about the low level languages. Low level languages means nothing but there are two types in that. One is a machine level language, second one is a assembly level language, MLL, then ALL. The computer can understand which language. Already you know the computer science computer can be understand only machine level language. It knows only 0 and 1 because it is electronic machine. Electronic machine means it consists of only electrical components, on and off state. Okay, that's why it knows only machine level language. Machine level language it consists of only two words. Okay, that is 0 and 1. Okay, last class you discuss about this, but the machine level language it's difficult for the user, it's difficult for the programmers for a writing purpose because the all instructions are in a 0 and 1. Then after that they have to find out the ALL, assembly level language. Last class we discussed about assembly level language. Assembly level language it is the instructions are in a symbolic words. Symbolic words means what? Symbolic words means these are three letters: add, sum, mul, sub, like this. Okay, if you given instructions like this type of language is called a assembly level language. Last class we discussed about this. Okay, assembly level language, but the computer knows machine level language, but I am writing the programs in a assembly level language. Then what you have to use? You have to use a translator in mediator, because it converts our language. It converts our language into machine level language. It converts our assembly level language into machine level language. That's why you have to use a translator. The translator name is assembler. Okay, what is assembler anta heli keltane? See, assembler means it is a translator. It is a translator software which converts assembly level language to machine level language. Okay, this is you have to remember. Okay, then the last class we discuss about the what are the advantages. We can is somewhat we can easily understand the instructions of assembly level language. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಸಬ್ ಅವನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಬಟ್ ಮಷಿನ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ 0-1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 0-1 ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್, ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತೇಳಿ 0-1 ನೀವು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋತೀರಾ. ಓಕೆ, 0-1 ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ 0-1. ಓಕೆ, 0-1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ ಮಷಿನ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಿ ಮಷಿನ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್. Got it? Okay, then they have to find out assembly level language. Then assembly level language, what are the main disadvantages of assembly level language? That assembly level language alli symbolic words are different from one machine to another machine, one computer to another computer. The symbolic words are different. One machine alli nanu add ante type ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು machine alli adu add ante ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, then what that purpose? Okay, you have to go for high level language. High level language. See, today topic we have to discuss about the high level language. What is the high level language? Nowadays all programming languages are in a high level language. Okay, high level language software engineers they are using high level language for given the instruction to the computer. ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ನಾವು ಕೊಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ? ವಿ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಹೈ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಹೈ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, easy to understand. Okay, each instruction will be very clear. Got it? That's why we are now all software engineers for developing softwares, for writing programs. If you want the instruction to the computer, nowadays we are using a high level language. Okay, high level language, because machine level language is very difficult to understand. In assembly level language the symbolic words are different from one machine to another machine to overcome these drawbacks. Okay, we have to use ಯಾವ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಇವಾಗ ಹೈ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೈ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೈ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್? ಹೈ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ HLL ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ HLL ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. HLL ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹೈ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್. ಹೈ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್, ಹೈ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಹೈ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. Okay, see, high level language means it is a English like statements. English like statements, already you know English. Okay, it is like a English, or it is an international language. It is a English like statement which consists of alphabets, digits and special symbols. Alphabets andre yavappa? See, you know A to Z, these are the alphabets. You can daily we can use it. Okay, we can easily remember these A to alphabets, no problem. Okay, easily we can given the instruction through these alphabets. Okay, then digits 0 to 9, we have digits 0 to 9 numbers. Digits means nothing but numbers. We can daily in life we can use it. Okay, then special symbols like a question mark, hash. Okay, then plus, minus, okay, star, these are nothing but special symbols. Okay, then what is high level language? High level language, it is consist of English like statements. English like statements like alphabets, digits and special symbols. Okay, these are nothing that is called a high level language antare. Okay, high level language means what is high level language nu kididane. What is high level language? See, it is a English like statement. ಎದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು? ಮಷಿನ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಎದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? 0-1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಸೆಂಬ್ಲಿ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಎದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? ಸಿಂಬಾಲಿಕ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಹೈ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟ್ಸ್, then digits and special symbols. That is called a high level language antare. Then high level language we can easily we can understand, easily we can write the instructions. Okay, same like English letter bardange ನಾವು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. Okay, later we can discuss about this. Okay, then see, for this purpose you have to use two translators. Why we have to use two translators? Translators, what is the use of translator? Which converts our language to machine level language. Why we have to use translator? Because the computer knows which language? Machine level language. But I know I am writing a instruction in a high level language. ನಾನು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಬಟ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷು ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಗೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಗೆ ಬರೋದು ಯಾವ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜು? ಮಷಿನ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್. Got it? Then middle we you have to use what? You have to use a translator. Okay, which translator you have to use it? See, what is the use of these translator? There are two translators you have to use. One is as compiler and interpreter. Compiler and interpreter, these are the two languages you have to use here. Okay, two languages use. There are two translators. These are the compiler and interpreter are the two translators which converts our high level language to machine level language. Okay, machine level language ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದು ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಗೆ, ಬಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದು ಹೈ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್. ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದು ಹೈ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್. ಮೀಡಿಯೇಟರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಮೀಡಿಯೇಟರ್, ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಮೀಡಿಯೇಟರ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಕಂಪೈಲರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಪ್ರಿಟರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಪೈಲರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. So many times ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ what is compiler. Compiler, it is a translator which converts high level language to machine level language. What is interpreter ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. What is interpreter? Which converts high level language to machine level language. Okay, these are the mediators, these are the software which converts. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಾನು ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ಟೈಪಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋದೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಹೈ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್. Okay, type ಮಾಡೋದೆಲ್ಲ high level language. We are using translators, software already installed ಇರುತ್ತೆ. It converts our language to machine level language ಗೆ convert ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Then the computer can display on the screen. Got it? This is you have to remember. See, for example, there are two translators, we have to use it. One is compiler, second one is the interpreter. Both are used for what purpose? Which converts our high level language to machine level language. Okay, then in examination so many times 3 marks question ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. Write a difference between compiler and interpreter. Write the difference between compiler and interpreter. So many times ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ. See, what is compiler? Compiler means, see, compiler, it takes entire that instruction, entire program. It takes an entire program. For example, you one page, see, for example, you are writing one page ಏನಾದರೂ ಬರೆದಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದು ಪೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಬರೆದಿರ್ತೀರಾ. ಇಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ this is you are writing this matter in a high level language. It takes this entire program, it takes this entire characters and converts into machine level language. It takes entire high level language and at a time it converts into machine level language. Okay, that is the use of a compiler. Then interpreter ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಇಂಟರ್ಪ್ರಿಟರ್, ನೀವು ಒಂದು 20 ಲೈನ್ ಬರ್ದಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಇಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಲೈನ್ ಬೈ ಲೈನ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್, ಲೈನ್ ಬೈ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಲೈನ್ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ, ಇಟ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮಷಿನ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್. It takes a line by line high level language. It takes line by line high level language and converts this language into machine level. Fast ಯಾವ್ದಾಯ್ತು? Entire, it takes a compiler, it takes entire this page at a time and converts into machine level language. Compiler, it working very fastly, it converts that all characters into machine level language. Okay, that's why we have to use compiler. It takes entire high level language and converts into machine level language. But interpreter, it takes line by line program and converts into machine level language. Okay, then here the compiler, the execution time will be less. So it takes less time to convert. Okay, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಟ್ ಎ ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಮಷಿನ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಸಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಪ್ರಿಟರ್, ಇಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇದು ಲೈನ್ ಬೈ ಲೈನ್ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ, ಲೈನ್ ಬೈ ಲೈನ್ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ, ಮಷಿನ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಪೈಲರ್. ಇಟ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಇಂಟು ಮಷಿನ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್. ಓಕೆ, ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಇದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿ. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಸಿ ದಟ್ debugging will be faster. What is debugging? Debug, detecting the bug means errors. Detecting the errors in the program. ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಏನಾದರೂ ಬರೆದಿರ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು, there are some mistakes ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ. Okay, that will be that mistakes, we have to correct that mistakes. Okay, that will be faster. Detecting the errors in the program will be faster in compiler. Okay, but here the detecting the errors in the program will be slow. Got it? Then the compiler software are say expensive, these are costlier, but interpreter softwares are cheaper, available in the market. Okay, these are cheaper. Got it? This is the difference between compiler and the interpreter. ಒಂದು 5 times ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ annual exam ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Write the difference between compiler and interpreter. Both are used for what purpose? These are the translators which converts our high level language to machine level language. Got it? This is you have to remember. This is the difference between compiler and interpreter. Okay, compiler and interpreters are used for what purpose? It converts our high level language to machine level language. Got it? This is you have to remember. Then what are the advantage of high level language? You know machine level language advantage. Okay, but there are so many disadvantages of machine level language. We cannot remember, we cannot write properly, then we cannot remember. Okay, but here what are the advantages? What are the advantages of a high level language? High level language, we can easy to understand. Alphabets irtave, we can know alphabets, digits irtave, no problem. Very easy to understand the high level language. Okay, ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಯಾರಿಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಇಟ್ ನೋಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಮಷಿನ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಲೇಟರ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ದೆನ್ ಈಸಿ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್, ಈಸಿ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, ಓಕೆ, ಈಸಿ ಟು modify, then easy to debug the errors. Okay, then portability means what? See, portability, alle lack of portability machine level language, but here portability, new one program, whatever you have to executed in one program can be executed in one machine, that can be executed in another machine also. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ನೀವು ಪೇಜ್ನ ಏನಾದರೂ ಬರ್ದಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಬೇರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿ ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಬಟ್ ಮಷಿನ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. Okay, but in high level language it has a portability. Portability means one program can be executed in one machine, that can be you can execute it on another machine also. That is called portability. These are the advantages. We can easy to, each instructions will be very easy and clear. Okay, there is no confusion. We can easy to remember, easy to write, easy to understand the instructions, high level instruction, high level language instructions. Okay, that's why nowadays all software engineers including you and me, okay, are using high level languages. Okay, high level language, got it? Okay, this is you have to remember. Okay, this is what is about a high level language. Then what are the disadvantage of high level language? ಏನಪ್ಪ disadvantage? Here we are using translators we are using, these are expensive. Which translator we are using? Compiler and interpreter. That is one disadvantage. Okay, then it takes execution time will be more. Okay, more, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಓಕೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದನ್ನು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಷಿನ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫಾಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. these are the two are the disadvantages of a high level languages. Got it? Okay, so many times 5 marks question ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ, write advantages and disadvantages of high level language. You have to write 4 advantages, then 2 disadvantages. Got it? Okay, this is you have to remember. Then this is what is about advantage and disadvantages of a high level language. How many languages you have studied? See, you have to study about 3 languages. One is a machine level language, assembly level language, then high level language. 3 you have to remember. In machine level language we cannot use any translator, but in assembly level language you have to use assembler as a translator. But in a high level language we have to use compiler and interpreter as a translator. This is you have to remember. Okay, these are the points you have to remember. Got it? This is what this is about high languages. Okay, languages. Okay, what purpose you have to use this? If you want to developing softwares and developing ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ must and should you have to know about programming languages. Got it? Okay, this is you have to remember. The next one is commonly they all ask you what is software. Already you know software, it is a collection of programs which carry one particular task. That is called software. What are the types of software ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ? So last year ಕೇಳಿದ mention the types of softwares. Mention the types of software. There are 2 types of softwares available in the market. There are 2 types of software. We have one is a application software, then second one is a system software. Application software, then a system software. Okay, see what is application software? Application software means apps. One mobile apps, already the mobile illide. These are all application softwares. Whatever softwares you are using in mobiles, okay, avella entry application software. Example for application softwares. Okay, see what is application software now? Application software means nothing but the software which is used by the users, to carry particular task. The software which is used by the users na use madidre, aa softwares na users use madidre, that is nothing but application software anta adike. Okay, that is application software. Idunu kelidane, what is application software? Application software means the software which is used by the user. Example, video software na ನಾನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. We have what purpose? For watching videos. Music, MP3 player for listening music. Okay, then a photo editor for editing photos. Okay, gallery. Okay, Google Meet app for watching online classes. These are all used by the users. Okay, they're not used by the mobile phones. Okay, it is used by the users. What purpose? We have to They are the software which is used by the users. These type of softwares are called application software. Example for application softwares: MS Word. ಟೈಪಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು MS ವರ್ಡ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಎಕ್ಸೆಲ್ ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಓಕೆ, ಪೇಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ is also an app. That is also one app for use for sending messages, videos, images. Okay, for video calling we have to use Google Duo app. Okay, these purpose, they are different softwares you have to use in your mobile. These are nothing but all are application softwares. Okay, application softwares, got it, which is used by the users. Okay, that is called application software. Then what is system softwares? System software, the name implies that the software which is used by the system, the softwares which is used by the system. Okay, system use ಮಾಡುವಂತ softwares ಯಾವಪ್ಪ? See, system use ಮಾಡುವಂತ softwares operating system ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಂಡ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶುಡ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಆಂಡ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ನಾನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ ಅದು. ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೊಬೈಲಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಆಂಡ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ಸು ಹಾಕಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್. ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದಿ the software which is used by the system, okay, this is called a system software. Okay, then example for system software is the operating system, then loader, linker, translators also system software. That is used by system which converts our high level language to machine level. Okay, that is also translators. Already you know how many translators you have studied: assembler, compiler, interpreter. These are also system softwares. Got it? Okay, this is a system software. Example ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಿ. Then in examination they will ask you what is linker. One mark question ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, what is linker? Linker means nothing but it is also one software. It is also one software that links a smaller program into single program. The software which is used for it links a small program into one single program, that is called a linker antare. Next class later you can discuss about this linker. Got it? Okay, then loader. What is loader? Loader which this is also one software which loads programs into main memory ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ RAM. ಓಕೆ, ನಾ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಟು ರ್ಯಾಮಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶುಡ್ ಏನು ಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಬೇಕು? ಲೋಡರ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೋಡರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಲೋಡರ್, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಲೋಡ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ಸ್. ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ನಾನು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರಲ್ಲಿ, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಟು ರ್ಯಾಮಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಟು ಮೇನ್ ಮೆಮ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶುಡ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಅ loader. Loader means it's software which loads programs into the main memory. That is called a loader. These are the software you have to remember. The next class we discuss about the very important topic, that is a operating system. Operating system in computer ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇನ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಆಂಡ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್? What is the definition? What are the types of operating system? These you have to later you can discuss. This is also one of the example for system software. There are only four system softwares. ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ application software. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರೋದು application softwares. Okay, except Android operating system. Okay, this is you have to remember. Okay, Google Chrome ಆಯಿತು, VLC player ಆಯಿತು. Okay, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ application softwares. Got it? Okay, these you have to remember. Later we can discuss. There are two types of softwares: application software and system softwares. Okay. Okay, the example for application software and system software ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, you have to know about this. Okay, these you have to remember. Please send me the second chapter questions and answers. Okay, question answers na correct ಆಗಿ ಬರೆದು ಕಳಿಸಿ please. Okay, thank you for watching this